It's time for a glamorous, flaming vintage dessert from Chicago's fabled pump room. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Today's vintage recipe from the sadly closed pump room in Chicago comes to us from 1964's Better Homes and Gardens, Famous Foods from Famous Places, and is a mesmerizing mix of canned peaches and hooch. But first, let's have a drink. The pump room's cocktail menu featured the classic Manhattan, and that sounded good to me. To make my favorite formulation, all you do is combine 2 ounces of rye, 1/2 ounce sweet vermouth, and 2 dashes of aromatic bitters. Shake with ice, strain into a cocktail glass, and garnish with a cherry. And now on to the main event, peaches and flame. The pump room seems to have been known for flaming foods, and this dessert is no exception. To make it, all you do is combine 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup port, 1/2 cup cherry jelly, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, a dash of salt, and 1 tablespoon lime juice in a chafing dish over flame. Once that's incorporated, add 1 29-ounce can of peach halves, cut side down, and prick with a fork. Simmer for 5 minutes, basting occasionally. Heat 1/4 cup of brandy, pour over your peaches, set a flame, and carefully spoon the flaming mixture over the peaches until the flame dies. Spoon peaches and sauce over lemon ice cream to serve. We may not be able to visit the pump room anymore, but we'll always have peaches and flame, not to mention the cocktails. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. And be sure to tune in Sunday for a visit from your favorite cousin. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.